Does Priority Pass allow entry to every lounge? You may enjoy your time at the airport on the departure and return journey as a Priority Pass member, giving you access to 1,500 plus airport lounges and travel experiences globally. Priority Pass membership is complimentary with a number of credit cards. Not just the wealthy and well-known use it. It's for anyone who wishes to go through airports in style and with less anxiety. The Global Priority Pass is accessible through a number of Best Rewards credit cards. It can be confusing to understand the Priority Pass actually entails and what's included in your membership, even if you may already have a card in your wallet or an app on your phone. It's important to remember that Priority Pass membership isn't automatic. In order to use membership advantages, even if your credit card is membership only, you must enroll. A network of airport restaurants, mini-suites, and lounges is called Priority Pass. It boasts 1,400 qualifying venues as of this writing, spread across over 600 cities across 148 countries. Though amazing, several of those lounges are located outside of the United States. Therefore, even if the network is extensive, there's no assurance that you'll always be able to enter a lounge. But chances are that Priority Pass will come in handy for a lot of your travels. When traveling abroad, you might be able to discover lounges at small to medium-sized airports, like Entebbe International Airport, EBB, in Entebbe, Uganda, and Guanacaste Airport, LIR, in Liberia, Costa Rica. Even at Punta Cana International Airport, PUJ, there's a poolside lounge. The Priority Pass network's amenities differ according to the owner and the area. While some lounges are independent establishments, such as the Atlanta's The Club ATL, others are connected to specific airlines. Example of this are the Air France Lounge in Boston and the Lufthansa Business Lounge in Detroit. Check the regulations of your preferred lounge location and your Priority Pass membership if you're traveling with guests and kids to see if there's a guest cap and if there will be an additional fee. Additionally, Priority Pass has partnerships with a number of airport restaurants, mini-suites, and other establishments, giving members access to benefit at places without regular lounges or the opportunity to dine at a restaurant instead of an airport lounge occasionally. The restaurant perk is no longer included in Priority Pass memberships provided by American Express, and Capital One eliminated it for Personal Venture X cardholders at the beginning of 2023. The Priority Pass restaurant credit varies in value, but it typically costs $28 per person. There are restaurants that have a guest count cap. You might be able to redeem $56 worth of food and beverages for your table by swiping your Priority Pass card from a credit card like the Chase Sapphire Reserve if your membership includes one member and one included visitor. Tipping is not included in the bill at pubs and restaurants, so make sure to tip the whole amount before the credit is applied. If you're in a hurry, it might not be the ideal option because many places don't let you take products to go. Priority Pass offers a few unconventional airport choices as well. For instance, golf lessons and a golf simulator are available for a fee at the PGA MSP Lounge at Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport, and green use is free of charge. Additionally, this lounge gives a $15 credit that can be used for meals and beverages or a golf outing. Lastly, Minute Suites in Atlanta, Charlotte, Salt Lake City, Dallas-Fort Worth, and Philadelphia are accessible with Priority Pass. Your Priority Pass membership includes the first hour free of charge. Additionally, hours can be bought for a discounted fee of $34. On the other hand, sleep pods can be rented for 2 to 3 hours depending on the time of day at Dubai International Airport. We aim to dispel the myths around the terms Priority Pass and Priority Pass Select, which are often used interchangeably. The company that sells memberships to lounges in its network is called Priority Pass. Priority Pass Select, a feature that grants club admission, is available with a lot of American credit cards. Some are for one person only, and some are for guests as well. Either way, in addition to what is covered by their membership, Priority Pass and Priority Pass Select members can pay for extra visitors. There are several credit cards that allow you to sign up for Priority Pass Select. These include hotel credit cards like the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card and the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card, which even allow for 2 guests, in addition to high-end travel cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Platinum card from American Express. You cannot just show your credit card in the participating lounge restaurant or Minute Suite to gain free entry if you have a credit with Priority Pass Select membership. Initially, you have to use a link connected to your credit card account to join the program. After logging into your account, look at the link under Benefits. Enrolling as soon as you receive your credit card is recommended, as it may take up to a week or 2 for your membership card to arrive through mail. You can use the Priority Pass app, which you can download in the interim to access most but not all facilities. It comes with a digital membership card. The staff at the lounge reception will not be aware of your particular guest privileges, so be careful to find out in advance whether and how many guests are allowed. You may not be aware that you have been charged until you check your statement because you are never required to show your credit card at the club. Your well-laid plans for the lounge could not pan out. These days, a lot of travelers have access to lounges, and occasionally they fill up. Priority Pass holders can access certain lounges exclusively during specific hours. Before your next journey, check the Priority Pass website for locations and hours. It's common for some lounges to briefly fill up at busy times and refuse entry to Priority Pass holders. Priority Pass Select memberships, which can enhance your travel experience with perks like complimentary food and beverages and a cozy spot to unwind or work, is a benefit of several cards. Please review the specifics of your membership, as each card has a different guest policy. The best places to kill time before flights are airport lounges, which usually have free food and drink, less busy restrooms, and quieter, more comfortable seating spaces. Look into the Priority Pass, a service that gives you access to over 1,300 lounges globally if you don't have access to airline or credit card lounges. Better yet, you may not even need to pay for it because it's a benefit that comes with a lot of premium travel credit cards. Global Network or partner restaurant and airport lounges. Priority Pass is membership-based. Regardless of the airline or service class they are traveling on, program subscribers are able to access these lounges. Approximately 600 airports worldwide host more than 1,300 locations within the network. You can buy a membership straight from the Priority Pass website if you'd like. The 3 membership grades are Prestige, Standard Plus, and Standard. Standard memberships are $99 a year. In addition, members must pay an extra $35 for each non-member visitor and $35 for each visit. Annual fees for Standard Plus memberships are $329 and allow for 10 visits. Additional visits are $35 each. In either scenario, visitors must pay $35 per visit. Although all visits are included in the $469 annual cost of Prestige membership, visitors are still charged $35 per visit. Priority Pass Select is a limited edition version of Priority Pass that certain credit cards provide to their holders at no cost. The limits of Priority Pass Select are determined by each credit card issuer. All of them offer at least 10 complimentary trips to Priority Pass lounges, but only a few of them provide limitless complimentary visits. While some cap the number of free guests at 2, some still charge for guests, while yet others let you invite an endless number of people. To learn the exact conditions of your Priority Pass Select membership, contact your credit card company. Additionally, in order to use Priority Pass, you must activate your membership online. This process can take a few weeks, so make sure to complete it well in advance of your trip. As previously noted, Priority Pass lounges frequently restrict access during periods of high traffic, and even if you're allowed in, the lounge could be quite congested. Regretfully, you won't likely have much control over when you visit the lounge because it will probably depend on when your flight is scheduled. However, you can estimate the size of the crowds by looking at the number of departures from your airport during the period of your visit. For instance, there are numerous international red-eye flights from major U.S. airports, and the evening at these airports are frequently especially packed for Priority Pass lounges. In the end, you could have to wait to get admitted to be turned away completely. That's all for today. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Until then, bye. Hey, also spend some time watching other videos on the channel.